when hand is put in cold water, when hand is put in cold water, heat transfers from hand which is at lower temperature, which is at higher temperature, which is at higher temperature, 37 degrees Celsius temperature, higher temperature, compared to the temperature of cold water, which is at lower temperature, that is 0 degree Celsius. Okay students, you see here, when hand is put in cold water, heat transfers from hand which is at higher temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius, compared to the temperature of cold water which is at lower temperature. Okay, when hand is put in cold water, heat transfers from hand, okay, which is at a higher temperature, 37 degrees Celsius, compared to the temperature of cold water which is at lower temperature. Okay, so here one container is taken students, as usual. Here one container, in this container here cold water is taken. Complete cold water, this is cold water, this is a lower temperature. The temperature of the cold water is 0 degree Celsius temperature, 0 degree Celsius. Whenever right hand is put, what happens? This is a right hand. The temperature of right hand is 37 degrees Celsius temperature, normal temperature of the human being. Okay, 37 degrees Celsius temperature. So here it is at a higher temperature. Okay, so here water is at lower temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius temperature. Right hand is at 37 degrees Celsius temperature, that is higher temperature. What is this 37 degrees Celsius temperature? That is normal temperature of human being, 37 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, so here we can write that normal temperature of the body of a human being, that 37 degrees Celsius temperature. Normal temperature of the body of a human being, that is taken as 37 degrees Celsius temperature. So here hand is at a higher temperature when it is compared with the temperature of the cold water. Okay, so what happens, heat transfers from hand to water like this. Heat transfers from hand to water. So here heat transfers from hand to cold water. That's why hand feels cold. Okay students, so here heat is transferring, so here hand is losing heat. Whenever hand loses heat, so that's why whenever hand loses heat, hand feels cold. Okay, so that is the main reason. In our previous example, heat transferred from hot water to hand. Okay, in this example heat is transferring from hand to cold water. Okay, so here hand is at higher temperature and water is at lower temperature. In our previous example, water is at higher temperature, hand is at lower temperature. Okay, so this is about heat transfers from hand to cold water.